What is up guys, Tim Dessaint here. Hope you're having a beautiful day. It is back to school season, which means it is officially time to put together some fresh outfits. Welcome to your first class of the semester, Style 101. Today we are going to be looking at 8 back-to-school pieces and how to style them. These are all items I got my hands on recently, so you should still be able to find them in store or online, links down below, and they are perfect additions to your everyday school wardrobe. Whether you're in uni, college, or high school, or even if you're a little older, this might still bring you some inspiration for some of your more casual outfits. First up is this new long sleeve t-shirt from Uniqlo's U collection. It's 100% heavyweight cotton, so it's perfect for the colder month. And what I love about it is the oversized fit it has with the drop shoulder that's gonna integrate very well in those more casual outfits. And it's those small details that take it from just being a regular standard fit long sleeve tee to something a little bit edgier with a nice boxy silhouette. The silhouette alone is already gonna create an aesthetic that's gonna be different from usual. The second item we have is this denim shirt from ASKET. I think a denim shirt is a great alternative to your typical Oxford shirt. It's very versatile in terms of formality, so you can go super casual with it, worn open over a t-shirt, or dress it up a bit with a more elegant overcoat or even a casual suit. You can button it up, tuck it in, leave it untucked, roll up the sleeves or not. There's just so much you can do with this simple garment and have it look totally different from one outfit to another. In terms of fit, I have not been able to find a better fitting shirt off the rack than this one from ASKET. I'm a pretty short guy at 5'7", so it's not always easy to find a shirt that fits well, but their sizing system really allows, well, pretty much anyone, I think, to find a shirt that fits their body shape. Plus, the fabric quality and construction is amazing, but that does come with a little bit more of an expensive price tag, so I'm also gonna link some cheaper alternatives in the description. Onto the outerwear. This Everlane Chore jacket is a favorite of mine for this fall, and it's also going to be perfect in a back-to-school wardrobe. The Chore jacket is inspired by classic workwear, so not only is it going to look good, it's also going to be very functional. It's durable and sturdy and has plenty of extra pockets for those times when you might need to carry a few additional small items. You can layer it on top of a simple t-shirt, a sweater, or a turtleneck depending on what the weather is like. I found this black and white striped overshirt at Topman the other day, and I think it looks really cool. The overshirt is such a good piece for those transitional seasons because of its versatility. You can use it as an outer layer on top of pretty much any garment you can think of. T-shirt, Oxford shirt, sweater, sweatshirt, turtleneck, which is my favorite. And I think this one from Topman has a really interesting design with the black and white striped pattern and the 2 side pockets. I can definitely see myself wearing it in an all black outfit. Let me preface this by saying I am not usually a big fan of pieces with logos. But for the first time in a while, I had to make an exception for this Adidas hoodie I found at Urban Outfitters. It has a bit of an oversized fit, which I'm all about right now, especially for hoodies. I also love the bold shade of pink and the front and center logo that nods at the 90s. The triple stripes on the cuffs is also an added detail that I think does well in changing up the classic Adidas hoodie design. Overall, I'm really happy with this pickup, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it a whole lot in the coming month. Moving on to pants. These crop trousers from Uniqlo are by far my most worn pair of pants in my wardrobe. I freaking love these trousers. They have a pretty relaxed fit, they're super comfortable, and if you get them in a neutral color like black, they are so versatile. It's actually hard to think of outfits where you would not be able to wear them. If you're a bit on the shorter end like me and you want them to be at ankle length, you might need to get them shortened just a bit, but then again, Uniqlo does that for you for free if you go in store. Anyways, I couldn't praise these trousers enough. I highly recommend you check them out if you don't already own a pair. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me post about them a couple of weeks ago. The fit on these jeans is so good, guys. The problem I have usually with regular fit jeans is that when they fit well in the thighs, they're usually way too big from the calf down, like near the ankle. The hem is just too wide, so I have to bring them to the tailor and pay extra to get them tapered and have them fit just the way I want them to. But with these jeans from Everlane, I don't have that problem. It fits well in the thighs when it's a regular fit, and it's still not overly wide at the ankles, so it saves me the additional 10-15 bucks I would normally have to pay extra at the tailor. So if you have the same problem as me with jeans, I would consider checking them out. And finally, no back to school video would be complete without a great backpack. This ISM Backpack is a favorite of mine at the moment, and my go-to bag whenever I need to carry my laptop or anything larger than my wallet and phone, really. It's made of full grain leather with a nylon exterior, and it's got a compartment specifically designed to carry your laptop, which I think is a very welcome feature in any backpack. I think the design of this bag is beautiful, it looks sleek, doesn't have any unnecessary fluff, and the shoulder straps are much more comfortable than on other backpacks I've owned in the past. It definitely has that more refined aesthetic than your typical college backpack, so it's also something that you're going to be able to keep using later down the line when you grow older. Even for something like an office job, I think it's totally appropriate. So yes, it is a little bit of an investment, especially when you're a broke college student or if you're in high school and don't really have any money. But when you know you're going to be able to keep it for that long, I think it's worth it. Alright, so those were the 8 pieces, but now let's really see in practice how we can incorporate a couple of those items in some school appropriate outfits. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this back to school video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas to freshen up your wardrobe, maybe a way to style something you hadn't thought of, a brand you didn't know, or just something new you want to try wearing. For more style videos and content, go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, @TimDessaint. And on that note, I wish you a beautiful day, my friends, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.